Welcome, in front of me is a MEDION E5005 and today I'll show you how to wipe cache on the device. So to get started you want to power off the phone, so hold the power key and then select power off, confirm it and wait for the device to actually shut off. Now once it has, we will then begin holding volume up and power key. So volume up and power, hold both keys together. And once you see the MEDION logo, you can let go. From here, once you see the Android with no command, hold power key, and while holding the power, you want to tap volume up once. So hold and press, and we're now in recovery mode. So from here, we'll use volume up and down to navigate, like so, and power key will be used to confirm. And with that in mind, select wipe cache partition right here and confirm it with power key. And you will get a message wiping cache and then cache wipe complete. And you should be back in the recovery mode with the reboot system now being selected by default. So all you need to do now is simply press power key to reboot the device. Process is finished and the device is ready to be used. So that is how you would wipe cache on this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.